stop. What if I told you that much of what we've accepted about heart health after 60 is fundamentally flawed? For generations, we've been conditioned to believe that a decline in heart function, the creeping fatigue, the breathlessness climbing stairs, or that unwelcome tightness in your chest is simply the price of aging. But what if that's a lie your body has been forced to live with? Are you tired of that nagging fear that your heart is a ticking time bomb, limiting your joy, your freedom, your ability to truly live those golden years you've worked so hard for? Do you find yourself hesitating before playing with your grandkids or shying away from a walk in the park because you're worried your heart just can't keep up? Perhaps you're already juggling multiple medications, each with its own list of side effects, and wondering if there's any other way to find natural heart support and truly understand how to protect your heart after 60. Well, breathe, because today we're not just talking, we're arming you. This isn't another lecture filled with medical jargon you can't use. This video is your personal key to unlocking a new chapter of cardiovascular vitality. We are about to unveil 5 critically important heart vitamins for seniors, scientifically backed nutrients that your heart is desperately craving. Nutrients that could fundamentally change how you experience aging. By the end of this video, you won't just know about them, you'll understand precisely how these powerhouses can help you reclaim your energy, support robust circulation, and fortify your heart against the relentless march of time. The answers you've been searching for, the hope you've been longing for in your heart care after 60 starts right now. Don't you dare go anywhere. After calming the heart with the tranquility of magnesium, let's now explore a nutrient often described as a premium lubricant for not only your heart, but also your brain: omega-3 fatty acids. When we discuss omega-3 for heart health, we're referring to invaluable allies in maintaining a healthy and flexible cardiovascular system, which is especially crucial as we navigate our vibrant years beyond 60. These essential fats, particularly EPA and DHA that you often hear about, are more than just good fats. They are true champions in combating the silent inflammation within our bodies, a factor implicated in many age-related health concerns. Think of omega-3s as a protective team, helping to keep your blood vessels clear and supple. In fact, the American Heart Association acknowledges the substantial cardiovascular benefits of omega-3s, often recommending the consumption of fatty fish at least twice a week as a key component of natural heart support. Why? Well, research has demonstrated that omega-3s can significantly reduce triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood that, if elevated, can increase heart disease risk. In some individuals, this reduction can be as much as 20 to 30%. That's a truly impressive figure when considering strategies for how to protect your heart after 60. Here's an interesting insight you might not be aware of. Our bodies are not very efficient at converting the plant-based omega-3, ALA, found in foods like flax seeds or walnuts, into the more powerful EPA and DHA forms that directly benefit the heart and brain. This conversion process is quite limited, with some estimates suggesting only a very small percentage of ALA is actually transformed into these readily usable forms. This is why obtaining EPA and DHA directly from fatty fish or high-quality heart health supplements is often emphasized by health experts. These fatty acids also help make blood platelets less sticky, thereby aiding in the prevention of unwanted blood clots, a significant factor when considering preventative supplements for heart blockage. So, how can we effectively lubricate our hearts? Prioritize fatty fish such as salmon, mackerel, herring, and sardines in your weekly meals. If fish isn't a regular favorite or dietary choice, discussing a pure, safety-tested omega-3 supplement with your doctor is a smart approach. This isn't just about cardiac care. The DHA in omega-3s is a vital structural component of your brain and retinas, meaning you're also nurturing sharp cognition and healthy eyesight.
It's a truly holistic investment in your quality of life, an indispensable part of your collection of anti-aging heart vitamins and your overall heart care after 60 strategy.
After exploring the wonderful benefits of omega-3s for the smooth flow of our heart and brain, we now turn to an inseparable nutrient pair, a perfect duo that acts like skilled architects for both strong bones and flexible arteries, vitamin D3 and vitamin K2. When we investigate vitamin D3 K2 heart benefits, we're unlocking a new dimension of comprehensive wellness, especially for our valued senior audience. Many of us are familiar with vitamin D3, the sunshine vitamin, for its essential role in helping our bodies absorb calcium, thereby building a strong skeletal foundation. However, the real magic unfolds when vitamin D3 teams up with its partner, vitamin K2, particularly the MK7 form. Did you know that, according to some U.S. health surveys, a significant portion of older adults may have insufficient vitamin D levels? This isn't just a concern for bone density, it has implications for cardiovascular health too. Imagine vitamin D3 as the vehicle that transports calcium into your body, and vitamin K2 as the savvy traffic controller, expertly directing that calcium to where it's needed most, your bones and teeth, and crucially, away from your artery walls where it could otherwise accumulate and contribute to heart blockage issues. This is the wow insight I want you to remember. Without adequate vitamin K2, the calcium that D3 helps you absorb might take a wrong turn, depositing in soft tissues and blood vessels, causing them to stiffen over time. Numerous scientific studies underscore that the combination of vitamin D3 and K2, particularly the MK7 form of K2, plays a pivotal role in preventing arterial calcification. In fact, some research suggests that sufficient K2 intake can significantly reduce the risk of vascular calcification. This truly makes it one of the best vitamins for seniors over 60 because it simultaneously addresses two major health aspects: bone integrity and arterial flexibility. So, how can we ensure this dynamic duo is effectively supporting our bodies? Sensible exposure to early morning sunlight can help your body synthesize vitamin D3. Good food sources include fatty fish like salmon, egg yolks, and D3 fortified foods. Vitamin K2, especially the MK7 form, is a bit harder to obtain in typical Western diets, though it is present in natto, a Japanese fermented soybean dish, certain aged cheeses, and liver. Therefore, discussing heart health supplements that combine both D3 and K2 with your doctor is a wise consideration, particularly when you're looking at how to protect your heart after 60. Understanding and proactively supplementing with this pair is more than just risk prevention. It's an act of deep care for your heart and body, allowing you to live each day with energy and joy. This is not just about safeguarding your bones for better mobility. It's about maintaining supple, flexible lifelines within your body, a key component of comprehensive heart care after 60. Next, let's explore a nutrient often likened to a premium lubricant for both your heart and brain: omega-3 fatty acids. When we discuss omega-3 for heart health, we are referring to invaluable allies in maintaining a healthy, flexible cardiovascular system, especially vital as we navigate our vibrant years beyond 60. These aren't merely good fats, they are essential fats, meaning our bodies cannot produce them efficiently. Therefore, we must obtain them from our diet or through reliable heart health supplements. The primary types, EPA, eicosapentaenoic acid, and DHA, act like a soothing and conditioning agent for your entire circulatory system. Omega-3s are widely recognized for their potent anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation is a known contributor to many age-related conditions, including heart disease. By helping to reduce this underlying inflammation, omega-3 for heart function aids in protecting the delicate linings of your blood vessels. Furthermore, these essential fats play a critical role in maintaining healthy triglyceride levels, which is a type of fat found in your blood.
They also promote arterial flexibility and make blood platelets less sticky. This latter effect is significant as it reduces the risk of unwanted clot formation, a key factor in preventing events that could lead to heart blockage. Beyond cardiovascular benefits, DHA is a major structural component of the brain and eyes, so by ensuring adequate intake, you are also supporting your cognitive function and vision, a wonderful advantage for seniors over 60. The most abundant sources of EPA and DHA are fatty fish, such as salmon, mackerel, sardines, herring, and anchovies. You might find the acronym SMASH helpful to remember these: salmon, mackerel, anchovies, sardines, and herring. The American Heart Association, for instance, often recommends consuming at least 2 servings of fatty fish per week to provide natural heart support. If fish is not a regular part of your diet, or if you have concerns about mercury in some larger varieties, a high-quality fish oil or an algae-based omega-3 supplement can be an excellent alternative. When choosing a supplement, look for products that clearly specify their EPA and DHA content and have been tested for purity. While plant-based omega-3s, known as ALA, found in flax seeds, chia seeds, and walnuts, are beneficial for overall health, the body's conversion of ALA into the more potent EPA and DHA is quite limited. Therefore, direct sources are often more effective for achieving targeted heart and brain benefits. Nourishing your body with omega-3s is a profound investment in your overall vitality. It's about supporting your heart to pump efficiently, keeping your mind sharp, and even promoting more comfortable joints. This holistic approach to well-being truly embodies proactive heart care after 60 and contributes significantly to the effects often sought from anti-aging heart vitamins.
Many of us know vitamin D3, the sunshine vitamin, for its role in bone health. But its true potential, especially for cardiovascular wellness, is unlocked when it partners with vitamin K2. Understanding vitamin D3 K2 heart benefits is crucial for long-term health. Think of them as a dynamic duo. D3 helps your body absorb calcium, and K2 acts like a traffic controller, directing that calcium to your bones and teeth and, importantly, away from your arteries and soft tissues where it can cause stiffening and problems related to heart blockage. Without sufficient K2, the calcium that D3 helps you absorb might end up depositing in your arterial walls, leading to a condition called arterial calcification. This makes arteries less flexible, potentially contributing to higher blood pressure and increasing cardiovascular risk. The synergy of vitamin D3 K2 heart protection is truly remarkable. Seniors in the U.S. are often at risk for vitamin D deficiency, especially those living in northern latitudes with limited sun exposure or darker skin tones. And vitamin K2, particularly the beneficial MK7 form, is found in relatively few Western foods: natto, some aged cheeses, egg yolks, making adequate intake a challenge for many. This pairing is certainly among the best vitamins for seniors over 60. Sensible sun exposure can help your body produce D3. Food sources include fatty fish and fortified foods. For K2, particularly the MK7 form, natto is the richest source. But heart health supplements combining D3 with K2 are widely available. Dosages vary greatly depending on individual blood levels and needs. It's essential to get your vitamin D levels tested and discuss appropriate supplementation of vitamin D3 K2 heart formulas with your doctor as part of your heart care after 60. For example, a common supplement might offer 2,000 IU of D3 and 100 mcg of K2, MK7, but this is just an illustrative example, and personalized heart doctor advice is key. By ensuring you have adequate levels of both D3 and K2, you're not just supporting strong bones to prevent fractures. You're actively promoting flexible, healthy arteries for a resilient heart. This is a proactive strategy for how to protect your heart after 60 and contributes to overall longevity and vitality, making them key anti-aging heart vitamins and essential for natural heart support. Finally, let's shine a light on vitamin B1, also known as thiamine. While it might not always grab the headlines like other heart vitamins for seniors, its role is absolutely fundamental. Think of thiamine as the spark plug in your heart's engine, essential for converting the carbohydrates you eat into usable energy for every single heartbeat. This process is vital for maintaining the constant power your heart requires. If your body is low on thiamine, your heart muscle can become energy-starved, potentially leading to symptoms like fatigue, shortness of breath, and sometimes even leg swelling. These signs can unfortunately mimic more serious heart conditions. This is particularly relevant for seniors, as B1 absorption can decrease with age, making it crucial to ensure adequate intake as part of your heart care after 60. Moreover, some common lifestyle factors and medications can impact B1 levels. A diet high in processed grains, which are often stripped of B1, or regular alcohol consumption can deplete it. And, as has been noted, water pills, diuretics, frequently prescribed for blood pressure, can also lead to B1 loss through urine. Understanding its importance is therefore key when considering how to protect your heart after 60. The good news is that thiamine is found in a variety of whole foods that offer excellent natural heart support. Whole grains like brown rice and oatmeal, pork, fish, beans, lentils, peas, and sunflower seeds. Starting your day with a bowl of fortified cereal or whole grain toast can be a simple yet effective step. If supplementation is considered, especially if you have risk factors for deficiency such as those mentioned, typical doses might range from 50 to 100 milligrams daily. As always, this is a conversation to have with your healthcare provider to ensure it's appropriate for your individual health profile and to receive personalized heart doctor advice. Ensuring adequate thiamine is about effectively fueling your life's engine. It's about having the stamina for your daily routines, feeling less run down, and supporting your heart's tireless work throughout your life. This fundamental nutrient is a cornerstone among the best vitamins for seniors over 60, focusing on energy and vitality, contributing significantly to your overall well-being and making it an important part of any discussion on anti-aging heart vitamins. So, we've journeyed through 5 incredible nutrients: CoQ10, magnesium, omega-3s, vitamins D3 and K2, and thiamine, all vital for your cardiovascular health. These heart vitamins for seniors offer powerful natural heart support, key components in how to protect your heart after 60. Remember, it's about creating a symphony of nutritional support. Your health path is yours to navigate with informed choices. We encourage discussing these anti-aging heart vitamins and heart health supplements with your doctor for personalized heart doctor advice. What resonated most with you? Share your thoughts in the comments. If this video provided value, please like, subscribe, and share it. Let's empower our vibrant heart care after 60. Finally, please note that the information in this video is for informational and inspirational purposes. For medical advice tailored to your individual health, especially if you have underlying conditions or are on medication, please always consult your doctor.